This will be make an app with me in 24 hours. Not just one, but two monsters. So it's like split the bill, username, password. We're currently at 5 hours and 11 minutes. I'm gonna try to do my backend now. This is very scuffed right now, guys. It's exactly at 12. Hi guys, welcome
back to another video.
So I'm currently at Hopperhacks. I don't know when I'm gonna post the previous one or this one is gonna come before that. But this will be make an app with me in 24 hours. Probably not 24 hours. Less than 24 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours. I have no idea. But I'm currently at a hackathon and we're kind of also hosting a hackathon. But I decided to make this video because there's like something I really want to make. And I was like, why not just start it today? Also, I dragged Will out because I don't want to do this alone. Yeah. And then she kept burping.
Well, it's not burping, it's hiccups. I'm getting
hiccups.
hiccups.
Okay. You should drink water.
Okay. I got the hiccups from the coconut milk. You know the one that's like. You know
the coconut.
Put a picture so they don't.
Yeah. Yes. Either way.
Blizzard storm incoming.
So we might be canceling our second part or tomorrow's hackathon because of that.
Oh, not canceling.
Yeah, it's being online now.
Look at my shoes. Look what happened because of the freaking juice. Look at this. This is crazy.
Wait, what is that?
But it's the noodle house thing. It leaked on me.
Oh,
do you see the picture from the group chat?
But no, it was like I haven't been checking the group chat.
We had to go back and change.
Okay.
Take a view. Okay.
Yeah. People here. But yeah, I'm gonna start the project soon.
You're gonna start it soon?
Yeah, I'm gonna start it. I haven't started it. I'm gonna start like probably right now or
my jacket stank, bro.
But I still have to serve the food for dinner, and after that I'm gonna start my project. I'm not trying to wing anything though. It's just like excuse for me to start this. Guys, it's actually 5:56 right now. I think we're serving food in like 4 minutes, but if not, I'm gonna first try to start doing my UI for the project. So I'm planning on making a split the bill app. I wanted to make this because one of my friends actually was paying this service to like some other people on the app store to like split the bill because we always go out in a large group or like going out with other people to eat. And so when you try to split the bill, sometimes it's hard, especially when there's a lot of people and then people order like different kind of dishes and you don't share the dishes. So also like you don't want to like sometimes people don't want to pay more. So it's a really convenient app. And I try to make it. You just like kind of just like take pictures of the receipts and then the receipts you add the tags and everything, enter who has what dish. And yeah, I don't feel like it's gonna be that complicated, but also I have never like made a mobile app and I'm planning on doing it in like Swift, which is for iOS applications. So it will be my first time making an actual like mobile app, and this time I'm doing Hackathon myself. If you don't know, last year I participated in Hackathon too, and I was doing with my friends, like 2 other friends. But we will see. If I can do it, I can do it. If not, it's okay because I just want to get this project started. Hi guys. So I'm back to my suite in my dorm. I just left the Hopperhacks like in-person place because I'm getting a very bad stomach pain, and yeah, I feel like it's time for me to start working on my project because if I'm there, I'm obviously just gonna be hopping out with the whole entire planning thing. But yeah, I have changed into the actual hacker t-shirt. This one is in blue and then I was originally in black. I also got cookie and a granola bar just in case I'm gonna be like too tired later on. And a little haul of this stuff. I also have an MLH Hackathon season t-shirt, and then I got not just one but 2 monsters. I have a feeling I'm gonna be drinking them later on. Just 2 monsters. Either way, I'm gonna start my app now. I haven't done anything, that's nothing, and then it's already 7:45 p.m. I am not lying, I did not do any work. I only have an idea on what I want. That's the whole reason why I did it, but I didn't start doing any of my app yet. So I'm gonna start right now. Not gonna lie, maybe I feel like I need to follow the software development process, which I'm not really good at, but I'm gonna like try to first feed it into chat or some AI agent and ask them to kind of generate a first like a guideline on how I should be doing this. And then I'll go one by one, but we definitely do first need a UI for this, otherwise I cannot make this app. And also I need to figure out how I'm gonna do it because we need image processing and recognition from image to text, and then we need to figure out the formulas to calculate the splitting and then the kind of features that we will want in this. So I think I'm gonna start a timer. I know that the project is due tomorrow by 12 p.m. So technically if we work non-stop, we have around like 16 hours, but I do plan on taking a shower later on, like after today. So probably not gonna have actually 16 hours, but I'll just start a timer to like to kind of keep track of our time. I'm gonna first set up and then we're gonna start this timer. Hopefully we can actually make something, but I'm gonna start yapping. We're wasting time. I'm gonna start. Hi guys, 20 minutes-ish have passed away. It's 19 minutes right now. I was chatting with Chad and figuring out the stack I'm gonna do. Due to I'm not really familiar with Swift and never coded with them, I decided to use React instead because I used to do like React web application for classes before. I decided to now use frontend as React Native, and we're gonna use Gemini API for the AI part of this video processing and all that image to like a JSON file. And for database right now, I'm gonna just scratch that at the current moment since if I have time I'm gonna add it to the backend, but if not, I think this should be feasible. The overall like flow of this is going to be the user is either gonna upload an image from their phone or take an image of the receipt, and the app is gonna upload the image to our backend Google Gemini API, and then the backend gonna send the image to Gemini, and then Gemini is going to return a JSON file, which our backend is going to validate and clean the data, and then we're going to display like the editable receipt to assign names and then people, and our app is going to use like certain kind of formula to calculate the cost to split between people, and then we're going to show the final breakdown. Am I going to later add the feature of like kind of send a message to each person to kind of like notify them, oh, someone just requested the money and this is where you're sending it to. This will be all. I think I'm gonna try to start designing the user interface in Figma, and so later on I can start like doing the whole entire building in React. I'm gonna do probably frontend first, just because it's the easier part. Having some nerds. I love nerds. It's so good. Bro, chat is being stupid again, Christine.
What?
I'm telling it to make whatever I drew into SVG and it's not working. It looks so ugly. Like, hello? Guys, it's currently 10:01 and it's been 2 hours and 13 minutes. I finally finished designing my UI, but it's very like scuffed right now, but I will show you guys how it's going to be looking like. I feel like a lot of the stuff, I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to code everything out, and I might be adding more features later on, but at the current moment this is how it looks like. So this will be our login page, which is going to be username and password, and this is a little logo that I drew. It's just what I visioned. It's like a bill splitting into 2 parts, and then we have split a bill on the top and the login button. I probably need to do register here or forgot password and register here, and then this is going to be a homepage where you can have like different bills And then there's a plus button, which is where we are adding more bills into the system. And this is like how we're gonna take pictures, the screen that's going to show up, and then the button that's taking pictures. And throughout the thing, this is persistent, which is our logo split a bill. And then this is going to be after processing image. We're going to get into our items where it's going to parse all the food items, price, owner, which we can select. I need another arrow here, which I don't have right now, and quantity. And then we can select the percentage of tips. This is like the next button. Going to the splits part where we can like see the amount and edit. And this is X button. And X button is going to be something like if you want to save the receipt, and if yes, we are going to like enter the name of the receipt, and that will be like general design of this right now. And I probably plan on doing like different kind of color scheme, but this is the general design, and I'm gonna try to probably cut this out. I'm gonna try to start coding this now. I'm probably gonna try to do the front end and then generate some sort of like dummy files so I can start coding my backend stuff. I think we're really efficient. It's only been like 2 hours and 16 minutes. And it's only 10 p.m. and that means we technically still have like 12 hours left. So I'm just gonna like start coding this little by little, being like snacking on my nerds. I don't on Cheetos right now, so maybe I'm gonna have that. I bought it a couple days ago. I'm gonna continue working now. By this point, but it's 12:57. Did I just stop my clock? Oh no, I didn't. But we're at 5 hours and I'm gonna try now. I did a little bit of UI, but then it's going, but it's not going well, or it's not finished yet. This is how it looks like right now. So I have this simulator open, and after I start my app, it should be like that. So it's like split the bill, username, password, and then you log in. And then this is the current user interface, but nothing backend yet, and it does not work well. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go shower, and I think everyone's gonna sleep soon, so better and better shower right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna pause my clock. It's currently 5 hours and 11 minutes. See you guys in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, 1:33 p.m. I just finished showering. As you can see, skincare and dried my hair. Oh my god, I need my glasses. I can't see well. I'm gonna resume though. Technically still have like 10 hours left. Kind of 10 hours. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be working for the next full 10 hours, but I really want to get an MVP down. I think I'm gonna open one by Monster. Jay said I should try the orange one since she tried the pink one before. So she's curious about that one, so I'm just gonna try that one. I'm like speaking a very low voice right now because my friends are all asleep. They're one there, one over there. Let's open that Monster together. First scan of this hackathon. It's so sad I'm doing this alone this time. I'm gonna cheers with you guys. Cheers. Orange. Actually, it's good. If you like orange juice, you're gonna like this. I'm gonna go back to work. I'm gonna try to finish the UI for all of this in the next 2 hours. And after that, I'm gonna start working on the back end. I'm gonna start this again. We're currently at 5 hours and 11 minutes. I'm gonna go back to my couch. You guys are coming closer to me. Yeah. Hi guys, it's 5:21 now. I'm about to see the sunrise. Finally I am done with my UI. I thought I would not take this long, but it's been how many hours by this point? It's been 8 hours and 57 minutes, almost 9 hours. It took 2 hours to plan out and do my Figma UI design, and then I took another 7 hours to finish my UI. Let me show you guys. So it's going to open the app, and then this is our login page. Split a bill, and we log in. I didn't do any backend yet, so it's just the UI, and then we can add the pictures. It's just a really random one from a while ago, and this is still a little cricket, but I don't want to like care about that right now. And then hard-coded stuff, chicken curry, sukiyaki, and takoyaki. And then this is like a tips over here, and you like cook this, and you should be going to like a split, telling you how much each person is supposed to be paying. And then the edit still doesn't work yet. And then there's the X button, and then you have like the choice of whether you want to save this or not. No is going back, and the other option is basically just like naming the receipts. So this is technically just finished, I guess. I'm gonna try to do my backend now. This is very scuffed right now, guys, but what can I do? Like, I'm by myself, and I low-key just want to make this. So it's okay if I can't make anything happen by the next 5 or 6 hours. I'm gonna make this, finish this eventually one day. But yeah, I'm gonna continue working on this. I don't know if I should take a little break. I'm not like feeling tired. I finished like this whole bottle. There's still a little bit left. I was chugging it when we were at 5 or 6 hours, and then I felt dizzy, so I stopped drinking it. I'm gonna go back to work now. The next time probably gonna be like 8 or something when it's already bright outside. Morning. It's bright outside now. I don't know if you can see. It's currently 9:25 and I look like shit. And we are at 13 hours. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm so done with it. Like, I think coding and doing this for 13 hours is actually so crazy. I did not do anything else. I was so concentrated that, like, oh my god. I feel like my ADHD is healed from doing this. But let me show you guys what I have so far. In the past, like, how many hours by this point? 3 hours? 4 hours? I have been just doing, I guess, backend. And then now you can kind of see this as a working thing. This is like starting I'm demoing with iPhone 16 Pro. And it's gonna open the app. And it's still loading. But then this is like the user interface login page. The thing is, I did not have the time to make the registration, so we just have testing. You can log in, and I was like testing with this earlier, so there's already like one bill that I named as bill 1. Also, I did not have time to do user interface for this, but then if you click the plus button, you're supposed to be able to either choose from your library or take a photo from your phone. But because I'm demoing from my laptop, obviously there's no camera for that. So I just like dragged one picture of my receipt I had, like, I don't know when by this point. And then we can just click this button, and then it's going to like process by Google Gemini. But then I added the feature of adding names. So you can just like go like Jane, and then you can save, and then you can add like more names, Bob, and then you save. And in this way you have like names, and then you go here, you're gonna pick the names like that, and you can also change amount of tips you want to give, say like 25%, and then at the end it's going to calculate really the total for you. And when you click the X, you have two options. The first one is if you want to save the receipt or not, and let's say if we do yes, we can do bill 2, and then we click enter, and then you're going to see that there's another bill created over here. And if we click this, it's going to return to split a bill, so we logged out. I did not create like the alert or anything because I am too tired to do any more of this. I think I'm gonna just wrapping up by writing some readme, and then I'm gonna post the thing to that post, and that'll be all. No more of this. I'm kind of sick of it. This will be my last time doing hackathon, I think, for second undergrad, and I don't think any grad student really do hackathons. So yeah, I guess this will be my actually like officially last one. But yeah, this is a little app I made. I made it for Grace. I think I'm gonna finalize this stuff and then probably send it to her or something, because I don't want her to pay, like there is no point to pay service for this. I don't think it's complicated to like need to pay subscription each month for this. But yeah, it's actually 9:30 now, so we are at 13 hours. I might gonna stop the timer, but technically I'm not done yet, so I'm just gonna still continue this until I'm done with filming my demos and pushing everything and finishing my readme. But I'm gonna move back to my room because I have been on this sofa for the past 13 hours. Other than like that 30 minutes I was showering. Really nice work. I got like kind of this thing out. Honestly, I definitely was vibe coding a lot because there was no way you can finish this in 13 hours. Like this whole entire thing, back end and front end, and like designing obviously is me, but like other parts, obviously if you don't have the help of you know, AI, I really don't think you can do this with one single person's work. But this is also like a proof that AI can really help you to start a project. But I definitely need to still work on this a lot, like detail by detail, if I really want to make it a good project. Either way, I'm gonna go back to my room now. I'm so sick, like I'm dying. Oh my god, I look so scuffed. It's exactly at 12. Wow, it's 11:59 over here, but I literally just submitted my work. I'm not exaggerating. I've been filming my demo and editing the voice covers and writing my readme and that post and all that and submitting the forms, and I'm finally done. I think I need to go into the Hopperhacks e-board meeting now. This might be the end of the vlog, if that will be all. Or if I want to work on this anytime soon before I post this video, maybe there will be more, but at the current moment there's no more. I guess this might be the end of the vlog, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video. I hope you liked this video. It's a little bit different from what I usually do, because I usually just do study for the vlogs, but this one is more like a coding vlog. But I actually do have a lot of ideas that I like to code about. It just, I'm busy and I'm lazy, so sometimes I just don't really code all the apps that I want to do. That would be all. So yeah, bye bye, see you next time. I am so tired, by the way. Oh, look at my dark circles. I look dead. I haven't slept for, I don't know, 40 hours by this point. I think it's already. I woke up yesterday at, well, not 40 hours, 24 hours. Only 24 hours. It's not too bad. 28. Yeah, I've been awake for like 28 or 30 hours. I woke up yesterday at 7 p.m. and it's currently 12, so almost 30. Yeah. I will stop yapping. Bye.